thieth yo makare.
Erokamano. Mokwongo adwa wacho ni to national governments wate, and especially county governments, apani onego walok pachwa e wach health financing. Health thieth osebedo ka en, let me call it underdeveloped. To sama wamiyo ji budget cha, asen nuango ni samoro controller of budget okoyie ni mond wamed pesa a certain departments nekech okado wage bill ceiling. Lakini mond county kaka Siaya o employ a neurosurgeon, definitely one gidhi tiyo gi pesa mang'eny mond gibed gi neurosurgeon kata ariyo kende. Mond Kisumu County o employ a pediatric cardiologist, for example. Mond wabed gi pediatric cardiologist ariyo, definitely pesa mawatiyogo dhi bedo mang'eny. Koro adwa kwayo ni kawanyang'iyo health financing as a development budget rather than a wage bill issue. Mano nyalo miyo most of our counties mondo develop, mond gi employ more doctors. The other thing mar the common mwananchi. Wadhi e yiero in the next few months. Taseneno ka nitie joma wuotho around the country looking for votes. For the past 5 years, county assembly okotimo what they are supposed to be doing. An asebedo chairman mar KMPDU Nyanza for the past 5 years. Aseromo mana gi county assembly mar Nyamira, waselomo gi county assembly mar Kisii, but in all the other Nyanza counties, pok wabedo piny gi health county assembly health committees mondo wang'iyane what is the problem with our health system. Mano nyiso that role of the county assembly okobedo strengthened maber mondo wa improve outcomes e counties. Samineno ka joma wa interviewed wacho ni dakteche onge osiptal. Penj ma onego gibed go ni en daktari ni ondike ene musara. Ere rota mangiso ni this person onego bed kae at this hour. Ka mi rota wasani, idhi yudo ni an abedo osiptal for 2 straight weeks every day. Mano is not humanly possible. I have time to rest, onega yud time mar rest, onega yud time mar timo giga moko. So what the hospital does, give me a call, and that's not what should happen. Onego daktari oti for 40 hours in a week. 40 hours in a week niso ni wanyabedo gi 3 shifts for doctors. Daktari achiel donjo 8, work by 5 p.m, moro donjo 5, work by this hour, like that. But now, Gimawangoni daktari achiel donjo on Monday morning to ene call all the day, 24 hours until the next Monday morning. That is not humanly possible. Finally, to wanasiasa wa health financing is very important. Samawati more budgets. Onego waluong stakeholders. Mondwane, what is the most important thing ma onego wa sort out in our counties? Kitty more budget and you don't put into consideration the problems we go through in our real hospitals, in our real communities. Definitely, okay, we are not going to sort out problems Nyikwa Ramogi are going through.